Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. Today we are going to do selected problems from IIT JAM 2014 Mathematical Statistics. So the first question is, a circle of random radius r in centimeter is constructed where r has uniform 0, 1 distribution. So r follows uniform 0, 1. The probability that the area of the circle is less than 1 centimeter squared. So we need to find out the probability that area less than is equal to 1 centimeter squared. So first let us write the cumulative distribution function of r. So as I hope you would be accustomed with the cumulative distribution function of a uniform distribution. It goes as this: 0 such that x less than 0, x minus 0 by 1 minus 0, given 0 less than equal to x less than 1, and 1 for x greater than is equal to 1. Now, probability that the area is less than 1 centimeter squared is equal to probability pi r squared less than is equal to 1 is equal to probability r squared less than is equal to 1 by pi, and thus probability r less than is equal to 1 by root pi, which comes out to be the cumulative distribution function such that fr 1 by root pi. Therefore, the answer is 1 by root pi, which is option D.